Wow, mandarino di Amafali Aqua. Oh my god, Benny, are we gonna make cocktails?
I don't drink alcohol.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
Hey! Jenny! Zet je applicatie kijken tegen.
Mario, je hebt van de week nog rode wijn gedronken en toen was het super...
Wine is alcohol.
Je hebt me dronken gemaakt.
Is niet jou.
Mario, je drinkt alcohol. And you brought me that wine because we didn't even have it on the house.
I brought you wine. I brought wine to drink. You drink it.
Mario, kijk, ik weet
Hey! Ga door met je video nou.
Kijk, ik wil een glas basje alcohol. Hey, nada. What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to Play Back.
Alright, it is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another Vlogmas video. This is video number 9. We have literally been doing this for, is it 3 weeks then? I think, yeah, 3 weeks. 3 times 3 is 9, isn't it? Yeah. 1 week away from Christmas. It is crazy. Today is gonna be a pretty chill day because this has been a hectic week. Yes, it's been a hectic week. And I'm a little tired. I feel that I'm a little tired. So this is gonna be a pretty chill vlog. I'm still gonna try to do a few things. Benny and I are supposed to go to the city later on. So after this little section, I am going to get ready for the day so that we can leave. Maybe pick up a little Starbucks drink. I started this morning with making a few smoothie bowls for me and Benny. It's been a while since we had those. And after that, Benny made us coffee. I chilled on YouTube. And I thought I would start off the video with a little unboxing. But first of all, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also leave me a nice comment down below. And we're gonna go ahead and get into the vlog. I'm gonna start off with the unboxing. Yesterday I felt so spoiled because there were so many packages that were all for me. So I decided that I'm gonna share with you all the things that I got, do a little unboxing. The first package, I can't show you the other side because it says my address, is from Myrrh Cosmetics. From Myrrh. This is what is inside of the package. She has like this very cute Christmas ornaments. They are little snowflakes and so pretty and so cute with gold glitters in them and pink I see, like super cute. So yeah, thank you Myrrh Cosmetics, and it says, Jennyfer, enjoy your Christmas decorations. Love, Myrrh. How cute is that? Thank you so much. I'm gonna hang them in my tree as soon as I'm done with this. Then the next package is from my employer, Telenet, so we're gonna unbox that as well. In the package, it has some Jimmy popcorn. This is the sweet version. Oh, it has like a big bag that you can put into this. And then, oh my god, this is so cool. They put Pop Rocks in there. Oh, I love those. And then also Skittles, the sweet and sour ones, and also some Chupa Chups bubblegum. And then 2 drinks. One of them is Richie Cola, and it's crafted here in Belgium. Raspberry lemonade, I think. How cute is that? That's amazing. Okay, so yeah, thank you Telenet. The next package is also from Telenet. I have no idea why they did so much this year, but I'm not complaining. Let's open it. Oh, it has like little recipes to make your own gin. So this is it on the front. And then on the back, it says what you have to do to make these fun drinks. These are just little things to top off on your drinks, I would say. We have basil syrup and caramel syrup. And what else? It has like these little peanut. These things are so annoying. They get everywhere. But like nuts. Let me try one. Fresh. Lemon. A towel, a kitchen towel. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's glass. I think this is, how do you call this? Something to measure the drinks, I would say. I don't know. Oh my god, that's so cool. That is a thing to mix, like, make cocktails. Oh my god, Benny, are we gonna make cocktails?
I don't drink alcohol.
Why are you lying? Why are you lying?
Hey! Jenny, trek je amigas niet kijken tegen.
Mario, je hebt van de week nog rode wijn gedronken. Het was super...
Wine is alcohol.
Je hebt me dronken gemaakt.
Jij...
Ginger powder.
Is niet jou.
Mario, je drinkt alcohol. And you brought me that wine because we didn't even have it on the house.
I brought you wine. I brought wine to drink. You drink it.
Mario, kijk, heb ik
Hey! Ga door met je video nou.
Kijk, heb ik glass basje alcohol. Hey, nada. Straws? But they feel like spaghetti or something. Oh, okay. Apple juice. Oh. Gin London Dry. So this is gin. I think we're gonna make gin tonics or something. Okay, what is this? Dubbel geconcentreerde tomato-puree. Tomato puree? Okay. Maybe they want us to make Bloody Marys, I'm not sure. Thank you so much, Telenet, for providing me with all the goodies. I'm gonna wait for our team meeting to see what we are gonna do with all of this. Probably make some drink and have it during the team meeting virtually, since we can't be together. And I know normally when we're at the office they do a lot, they go all out for us, so that's probably the reason behind all of this. But yes, thank you so much. I'm now gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna shower and get dressed, and I think I'll be back with you later because you've seen me do that so many times, so we're not gonna be repetitive. I'm gonna get showered and ready, and I'll talk to you after. Now we're outside walking to the bus stop. It is freezing today. Ano probeer je me in de bosjes te duwen? No. Anyways, wearing my glasses today because I feel like my eyes need it. So yeah, and I bought them to wear them. So I think our bus is coming there, isn't it?
We always miss the bus. So.
Ah, shoot. Anywho, see? We're now on our way to the city. Say hi, Benny.
Hi, Benny.
I'm here. Fashionista? I'm here. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna buy it. We are back home, amiga. We are back home and we got poke bowls. I also got something nice, but I will talk about that in a little bit. I'm first gonna eat my food. You've seen me show this so many times and eat this so many times. It's just a staple. It's healthy, or at least healthier than McDonald's or something. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I'll be back to talk about what I got. Okay, we got time to share with you the things that I got. I got something nice from Jo Malone. I wasn't planning on getting anything from Jo Malone today, but I run into the counter and I decided to go for it. The thing is, a friend of mine, Fat Shonista on Instagram, her name is Suyen, she recommended me the Tonka Myrrh from Jo Malone a while ago during summer, I believe. And ever since, it's really difficult to find Jo Malone. Let me put it like that here in Antwerp. But recently they opened a counter in the Easy Paris on the Keizerlei in the city center. And today was the day that I could smell it, and I instantly fell in love. I fell in love, and on top of that, there was this super nice representative of Jo Malone working there, and she asked me like, what are you into? What are the scents that you like? And we told her that Benny and I both actually are very much into Tom Ford. We got this one like yesterday, I believe, and it is so good. It smells special, but so good and sexy and mysterious and just great. And all the scents from Tom Ford that we have, or that mostly Benny buys them and I use them too, but they are all unisex. We like the ones with the Tuscan leather and also the one with the oud wood. That is also so good. So yeah, we are very familiar with Tom Ford, but I wasn't as familiar with Jo Malone. But she was so nice. Her name is Kitty, I believe. Let me check what her name was. But we're gonna unbox this and I'm gonna share with you what I got. Here is the card. Yes, her name is Kitty. Kitty. And she works at Estee Lauder, but apparently Jo Malone, Tom Ford and Estee Lauder are all under one umbrella. And she's a representative from there. But yeah, I'm gonna share with you what I got. So it comes packaged in this. I already took the bow off. I'm gonna open it with you. How am I doing this? Like that, I guess. And then you open the box. And then it comes wrapped up like that. I took the 50 mils one because I'm new to it. So I wanted to start with this one. That's super beautiful and bougie. What is this? That's the bottle. And it smells so good. Like I need to see what the notes are, but it's called Myrrh and Tonka. As you can see, so good, so good. And she gave us so much goodies. So I'm gonna like quickly go over them as well. Let me see. Yeah, so many goodies. And it's a tester. The oak and hazelnut cologne. And it also has like a matching hand and body wash right here in a little bag like that. Oh, that's cute. This is the English oak and hazelnut cologne. And it has like the little sample in there. And then the lime, basil and mandarin cologne. And then the peony and blush suede cologne. Oh my gosh, she hooked us up. And then the wood sage and sea salt cologne. It's all the same. It looks the same though. And then what else do we got? The poppy and a barley cologne. And the pear and freesia cologne. That is so fun. And then she also made like a few samples for Benny. This is the Jo Malone Neroli, I think. I don't know exactly what it says. And the Tom Ford Mandarino di Amafali Aqua.
Amalfi.
Oh, I butchered that.
What's the name of it?
Amalfi. Amalfi.
Yeah.
Okay. Mandarino di Amalfi Aqua. Okay. Yeah, so that is it for what I got. I also got flowers, but I got flowers so many times in the past few vlogs that I think you know what they look like. I chose like the blush pink this time. I'm gonna share with you how I put them and change these, the old ones, because they're hanging. But I think maybe it's fun to make some rose water with these and share that with you, how I do that. So I'm gonna do that in a little bit. I'm gonna put all of this away, take pictures of everything, and then put everything away. But I want to give a special thank you to Fashionista, Suyan, and also to Kitty van Wetteren for helping me so well today. She was so nice. Like, I haven't been helped in a store like that. She assisted me so well with everything. So that is that. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the kitchen now and put the roses, change out the roses. So let's go. Amiga, I finished refreshing my flowers and I kept like the old rose buds from my old flowers, and I'm gonna make some rose water with that. So I thought it would be fun to share that with you. I have a lot of bottles of Mario Badescu that used to have rose water in them. I have so many of these. Some have a little bit in them, but some can definitely use a refill. So I'm gonna make rose water and I'm gonna share with you how I do it. It's not that difficult. We basically pay a lot of money for what exactly? Yeah, I do it too. So what I'm gonna use for mine is my rose buds or rose petals, let me put it like that, and then some glycerin. And this is optional, but I'm gonna also drop like some essential oils. You can do different ones. I have this sensual one that smells like very sensual. This one is relaxing. It has lavender and other things in it. I'm not really sure what. And just one that is purely lavender. And I might drop like a few per bottle in there. But the first thing we need to do is boil our water. I'm gonna boil some water in my kettle. Alright, amiga, we have our rose petals. I think this is quite enough. I'm going to pour some water on top. I'm gonna add the lid and let this steep for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and add the other stuff. Alright, amiga, we are back. I am so tired. I am so afraid that I haven't collected enough footage today. I think I'm gonna skip tomorrow's upload and compile this into one vlog in combination with tomorrow's footage, because I am so tired. I feel drained. This has been such a busy week. And I'm just tired. I'm really tired. But anyways, I'm gonna take the rose petals out of this thing and drain the water. So let's do that. It smells really good though. I'm gonna just take the rose petals out and just press them with a little fork and place them here. And we're gonna pour all the rose water into this. Oh, that's a good can. As you can see, it has a dark pink color. You can't see it very well because it's nighttime right now, but it has a good color. Next up, I'm gonna add my glycerin. I think I'm gonna do like 2 tablespoons for this whole thing. So 1 and 2, maybe 3, and 3. Mix it up. Okay. And then I think I'm gonna do lavender because it has a calming effect. Lavender. And I'm gonna do like a few drops. I did 4 drops in total for this whole thing. And mix it up so now it's lavender and rose. What we're gonna do now is open our bottle and pour it in there. Oh God, it looks like the real thing. Look.
Oh, it smells good.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna let the bottle open so that it can cool off a little bit, but I'm gonna put that there. But it looks like the real thing when it's in the bottle too. I hope you can see it correctly because I think I have my settings a little different, but this is exactly how it looks like when I buy it in the store. I think if I would have used, I think even the scent is kind of the same as when I buy it from Mario Badescu themselves. Anyways, rose water. That's how you make rose water at home. Works perfectly fine. A lot of people say to use distilled water. I think that's the water that you buy in the drugstore, but I have always used just normal water from the tap. If your country allows you to drink the water, you can perfectly use it for your rose water as well. The only thing that I really recommend is using this. It also helps the glycerin. It really helps also for the water to not ferment or start stinking or anything, but this works perfectly fine to me. And if you want to be extra safe, you can also store it in the fridge. Like if you have multiple bottles, you can store them in the fridge until you're going to use them, and just leave one out at a time when you're using it, you know. So yeah, that's just my little tip on that. But normal tap water works perfectly fine. I have quite a bit left, so Benny is gonna use that to take a wassy. And yeah, and that's it. That is it for this part. I am gonna take my makeup off and just relax for the rest of the night. I guess no editing, no anything, just relax, maybe watch some videos myself. But yeah, I'm really tired. This has been a week, and it's just because I had to work last week. So I started off the week with having to film and edit on Monday. Then after that, couldn't be able to rest because I had to film a video for Wednesday, then having to film a video for Friday. So I feel like that, you know, like I'm just running behind the facts. And I've learned that if something is not going to matter in 5 years, then don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm tired, I'm human. I might do a video extra to make it up to you guys, but yeah, realistically, I'm just really tired. I've been feeling it since this morning that I woke up. Like my vision was a little blurry from all the editing, I guess, and just tiredness. So I'm just gonna take a break tonight and tomorrow. Not even tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be vlogging because I'm gonna go to a Christmas market with my friends. But yeah, I will be filming that, but I will take my time and edit it and let it go up on Wednesday instead of running behind the clock to make a deadline that I guess is a bummer, but still I think you guys will understand. So I'm sorry about that. Trying to not feel shitty about it and beat myself up about it. I'm just really tired and I can just feel it. And also this eye has been shaking all day. Like it does this the whole time. So yeah, it's just time to take a break. I'm sorry guys, but I'll see you on, when you're watching this, it's probably Wednesday, and that's that. I will have to update you guys though on YouTube by letting you know that I won't be able to make it tomorrow.